아,
I've seen a lot of
안녕하세요.
change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are
안녕하세요.
not the same as they were
안녕하세요.
a year ago.
안녕하세요.
But all will be okay.
안녕하세요.
I move on each and every day.
아,
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Go where? 안녕하세요.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
안녕하세요.
I strive just to say I'm alright.
제임스.
And for the
안녕하세요.
first time in a long time I'm alright.
안녕하세요. 오케이. 렌지, 가스 렌지. 원래대? Where are you going? Ask her.
Ocean Pearl. Ocean Pearl.
아? 17 빌라. 2,550. 파티지?
Which cottage do you prefer?
Where is cottage? Near beach ba? Near beach.
Near sa kanang kuan ya
Near
kanang
beach.
sa kanang beach ba? Ay sa kanang dagat. There?
Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, good. Many people, huh?
Yeah, even if
Good.
it's Sunday.
Yeah. Good. Oh, here is nice. They're very.
Yay! There's there.
Putang. Good.
What is this? Cooking pan?
저 삼겹살 그릴. 삼겹살 here. 삼겹살 here.
I also bring butane.
Yeah. Ako also bring.
There's nothing to cook anymore.
Yeah, we cooking there. 삼겹살 first. Putang here water. Also here water.
Motel ba?
This all wash it. Already wash it. 삼겹살.
Good. Nice. Like this.
We bring there. We cannot cook here. Bring there. Bring one. One 삼겹살. Yeah.
안녕하세요. Gosi, what you change?
음식을 조리하면 벌금 1,500페소 내야 된다고 그래서.
That is samgyeopsal?
Yeah, this is 삼겹살. 삼겹살.
This one?
Yeah, 삼겹살. 안녕하세요. 예, 오다가 또 삼겹살 자르지도 못하게 또 가위까지 뺏어 보러 가지고 들어오는데
Hi guys.
아, 기준이 너무 엄격해요.
Enjoying our video, yeah.
예.
Guys, take me a picture. Come on, take me a picture. And send. You want? Yeah. Funny. I'm a good now.
예. 비전 스쿨 학생들이 소풍 왔습니다. 바닷가로 소풍 왔습니다. 레투스, 삼겹살.
Okay, so. Namay plato? What is this?
Kamay prato, prato here.
Samgyeopsal?
쌈장, 쌈장,
Samjang.
사계절.
No, yeah, samjang.
사계절.
Yeah, hi guys. Tomorrow is. We're gonna. I'm so tired, so tired.
내일은 또 학교 간다고. 여기서 삼겹살을 따로 굽고 있습니다. 산드라.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 예, 안녕하세요. 여기서 삼겹살을 구워서 저쪽으로 보내고 있습니다.
안녕하세요. You're not eating yet?
They all waiting you.
You can eat now.
아,
Tapos sila yun, tapos sila. Tapos sila.
아니, 컴포스트. 예, 식사.
Ulit papis.
아, nothing cook there. Eat. 아, you eat. 아, 상추. 레투스, eat 레투스. No spicy.
Not spicy.
아, no spicy.
What is that?
쌈장. 아,
I'll have shrimp. You eat.
아?
You eat.
아, 레터. 거의 레터. 거의. How about 삼겹살? 아, 굿. 삼겹살 맛있어? 맛있어요. 아, 맛있어요. 아. 올? Lettuce for you. Put sauce. That sauce together. Good. Eat. 예, 여기 지금 가위를 가지고 들어오다가 뺏겨버렸어요. 야미? 아이사. 야미? 아, 맛있어요? 네, 맛있어요. 네, 맛있어요. 네, 맛있어요. 굿. 맛있어요.
Therefore, this one is pasta. 삼겹살 맛있어요. 삼겹살 맛있어요. Are you guys watching us? You're done eating. Hi, Jolene. How are you feeling today?
I'm happy. You're happy?
Yes.
Do you want to swim?
Yes.
Do you like the view?
Yes.
What do you call this beach? Do you still remember? What is this?
Banyu Beach.
It's not Bunny Beach.
Ocean Pearl.
No. Blue Reef.
Blue Reef.
Yeah. How about you? You're fine? How are you feeling? You feeling good? Really? Do you want to swim? You really love to swim? But you need to be careful. It's dangerous. Okay, how are you, Alice?
I'm fine.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling happy today.
You're feeling happy today. Why are you feeling happy today? Come here, don't be shy. Look at the camera. Hi everyone, look at the view. Come here, Alice. Okay, you can swim. You can swim now. But you need to be careful, not go to the like deepest part of the ocean. Okay? Hi. Oh, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're feeling? How are you feeling, by the way? You're feeling happy?
Yeah.
Oh, why are you happy, by the way?
Because the beach is nice and relaxing.
It's relaxing? That's why you love beaches?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But do you want to swim?
No.
You don't want to swim?
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Oh my
Marian's mom, our cooker for today's video. You, Sandra.
Julian!
Julian, come here.
Come here!
Hi, Julian. Come here, Julian and Sandra. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. How are you feeling? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Oh, that's great to hear. Do you want to swim? Do you want to swim there?
Yes.
Oh.
Ay, no.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Wait a minute. Yeah. We're going to swim now. Can I swim?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, thank you.
Go ahead.
Guys, sorry for the speed.
어린이가 올라왔네요.
I'm going to die.
Oh, why? Why? You need careful. Very deep. Careful.
I don't know how to swim though.
So don't go there.
I want to go.
Oh, good?
Good.
Happy?
Happy.
Good, James?
Yeah.
Happy. Yeah. Yeah. 안녕하세요, 지리. Tyler, kapoy. You swimming good.
Please try this one.
Oh, very good. Happy. Oh.
Get up
야, 너무 센데. 야, 오 마이 갓.
Ini kayak hapak yang. Hapak dia mau main. 1, 2, 3.
You hit it. You hit. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Tingnan John. Down dari tengah. Terus.
시작.
But I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it to see, right? We enjoy it there, even though I don't know how to swim. Yeah.
가요.
Kayo.
집에 가요. 집 just 발라이. 집에 가요. 투 발라이. 쌍. 야, 산드라 dangerous. dangerous. 야, 너 dangerous. 바이바이바이.